Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Gemini to your phone. First, head over to your phone's App Store, either the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, and search for the Gemini application. Once you find it, simply tap to download and install. Make sure your device meets the minimum operating system requirements, typically Android 10 or iOS 17 or newer, for the best experience. After installation, open the app and sign in with your Google account. After signing in, Gemini will likely ask for certain permissions, such as access to your microphone or location. Granting these allows Gemini to function fully and provide personalized assistance. You can also choose to set Gemini as your default digital assistant, replacing your phone's current one. This makes accessing Gemini much quicker. Take a moment to explore the settings menu to tailor Gemini's behavior to your liking, perhaps adjusting voice output or notification preferences. Now that Gemini is set up, you can start exploring its powerful capabilities. Simply tap the microphone icon to speak your query or type it out. Gemini can answer questions, summarize lengthy articles, or even help you brainstorm creative ideas. It integrates seamlessly with other Google services like Gmail and Maps, allowing for a truly connected experience. Experiment with different prompts to discover all the ways Gemini can assist you throughout your day. To ensure you're always getting the best experience, regularly update your Gemini app. Google frequently releases updates with new features and performance enhancements. If you encounter any issues or have suggestions, use the in-app feedback option. Your input helps improve Gemini for everyone. Don't hesitate to dive into the advanced settings to fine-tune its behavior even further, making Gemini an even more powerful and personalized tool for your daily needs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.